What's up guys, today's a very exciting day. The day we take the Lowrider ST. If you guys haven't seen it in my previous videos, this is my my bike I traded in the Fat Boy for back in November. So we can go over that today. Throwing on a Sawicki 2-to-1 pipe. Finally, not gonna sound like a vacuum cleaner, so we're gonna head over to the famous Johnny Nobody's. He's gonna help me with the install. Super excited to have this thing on, guys. I never rode a bike without a custom exhaust, so this is gonna be sweet, and I love this pipe. Sawicki, thank you for the awesome pipe. Switch up in the change of clothes. It's a hot floor today, and made over here to Dr. Johnny's Kingdom, famous Johnny Nobody. Super stoked. Thanks for helping me, dude. Got the heat shields off. Now I'm just gonna unplug the O2 sensor and then get in here and get this bitch off. You see Johnny's full array of bikes. Here's the coolest bike in the whole garage. Made it to the top floor. Waiting for Johnny to get back. Hi, Johnny. I started exploring a little bit.
We have this ST bracket because, as anyone knows, this is off from the other side. We got a special bracket so whoever's on the back of their feet aren't doing that weird ass thing. We're actually going to be everywhere. So Only Baggers, DHD, Living 99, the Vault, and a bunch of other things that I have going on will all be at every major bike event.
Dr. Johnny is removing the fart cannon. If anybody wants to buy a stock exhaust for any reason, let me know in the comments. I don't know why you'd want it, but you know,
Just in case.
Just in case. To be safe. I'll even give you a good price on it. Oh, she naked.
She's naked.
Coming together, looking nice. Throw the cannon on.
You are so nervous.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Can you back up for like
back
2
up?
seconds? There's men at work here, right?
Alright, first start on Sawicki. There you go.
First start.
First start, baby.
I can't wait till the color changes.
Oh yeah. Like Garrett's bag? It's gonna toast up my bottom of my bag a bit? Probably.
It's really interesting.
Yeah, probably. Thanks again, Johnny Nobody.
Yeah, man.
That pipe, it's awesome. It's like a whole different type of bike, man. Check him out, guys. His Instagram is what? Nobody the Wolf?
Nobody the Wolf, HXC DHD, or DHD the Wolf.
DHD The Vault, man. If you guys are in Orlando or in the area, need anything done on your bikes, need bike storage, you're coming out here and visiting, hit him up, guys. He's the best.